Okay, welcome back to the channel.
This is 100%
I was just getting ready to do this and I'm like, damn, I should make a video of this. I have the bolster, is what this piece is called. The bolster out of the truck. This is like under the steering column, right near your ignition over here, like this. And I'm getting ready to mount my push start button, because we're using the 05 Silverado computer, and it will not talk to the body computer in this to make the ignition work, or it will, and I just can't figure it out. It stumped me. So I'm going to like Matt Happel's from Sloppy Mechanics. You turn the key on and press the button and the vehicle starts. That's what we're gonna do. So I bought one of these engine start, I don't know if you can see that, engine start button, see? And I'm getting ready to mount it into the bolster. So basically, what I did is I cleared a spot on the dash for this button to go through, so I have plenty of room. And what I did, and this is the backing nut, so what I did is I was kind of made a spot where I think it would go, and then I just made a circle like this with the nut that holds it. And then I grabbed, I got a big unibit here, and I basically just went like this, and then I made a line on the unibit, and that's your stop point. Don't go any further than that, or you can't. Yeah, you got to go a little. Yeah, you probably gonna have to go one more click. So go through that black line that I made, and everything will be good. So we're gonna do it right now. So let me reposition the camera and we'll drill it and we'll try the button. Okay, actually, do I have to reposition? Yeah, I should. Let me, I'll just aim it down so you guys can see. Okay, so here is the bolster. I'm just gonna put that right there. And where did I put the drill? Oh, it's right here. We'll go with the little unibit first. So, wow, this unibit's kind of dull in one area. Wouldn't even go through damn plastic. Okay, so let's take that one off. Now, go to the big boy. This one I think is dull. So, I don't know how it'll work. I might have to take a trip to Harbor Freight to buy another package of them, but here we go. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Here, let me move the camera. Put the camera over here so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna pause you for a moment. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna stop at that line. Okay, so there we go. Let's try and see if it'll fit. The best thing to do is always stop one ahead of time and then try it, you know? It doesn't hurt if you could always go drill more. Yeah, see, I gotta drill more. Up here. Okay, we'll go one more step and I think we'll be good. Or, you know what? Let's try this. Let's go from the back side here, and we'll just clean up that burr. Alright, let's see how that goes. Try from the back side. Don't matter. Gotta go either way, right? Yeah. Yeah, buddy, that's on the money. I'm glad it didn't go one more. I'm glad it didn't go one more. Okay. So there we are. Now, feed this through. Put this here. Grab our nut. Fill all my paperwork. Let me pick that up. Oh my God. Wiring schematics and wiring schematics and wiring schematics. I'm sick of looking at them. That's all I've been looking at. So, this comes down. Oh, wait a minute. There's a. There's one more O-ring. There's an O-ring on the button. There's another O-ring here, and then there's an O-ring here. Can you see? Not really. Let me move you. Okay. So. Yeah, we got the O-ring goes there. That's just to prevent them from coming loose. Okay. A little bit of a distant memory with a gem tonight, Casey. Thank you so much. For that, it's plastic, believe it or not. That's really kind of cheap, but you know, it's the way it is, you know. When you're doing a budget build, here, let me. When you're doing a budget build, that's the way it is. You gotta get, you know, a lot of stuff's plastic, so.
You're built for these moments. I mean, he's faced these guys before. He's dominated these guys, and this is a tough lineup to dominate. Verlander had his way before, so he knows how to pick these guys.
Yeah, everything fits good there.
At this particular moment.
Now we're gonna straighten this button out.
You look at the numbers in elimination games.
This button, it comes with a relay box. Believe it or not, you could run your starter right to it, apparently. But I'm going to trigger a relay with it because I trust the relay more than I trust that. So.
They believe in him. They believe that they have every chance to win. They believe if they go get one run.
Alright, so I'm going to pause you and I'm going to tighten this up. And then I'll get that box mounted, and then I'll bring it in there and have show you what I did. Okay, so sorry, I got ahead of myself here, and I just been working along. Let's come on over here. I'll show you what I got going on. Okay, so the lighting sucks in here. Let me see. Okay. Can you see? Alright, so starter button's mounted here. I had to wire it a little different. Not a little different, I just wanted to make sure I wired it correctly. So you turn the key on, you hit the button, and it cranks over. But I wired in a neutral safety switch. Okay, anyways, but as long as it don't start and park, that's all that matters. So there's that part of it, okay? So I've been plugging along. I've been watching the Red Sox game, so sorry. So we got the starter button done. We got the neutral safety switch hooked up. Or park neutral safety switch is a proper term. And that's it for that. So now I'm going to move on to heater hoses, and that's about it. The heater hoses, and I think I'm done for tonight. So, sorry for the short video, folks. You know, it is what it is.